What is going on, everybody? 86 here, back with some more Megabonk, and I think I'm gonna try some Vlad today. I'm gonna go Desert Tier 3. Just go ahead and jump right in, give it a go, and see how we do. It's been a little while since I played. I've been playing some Necess lately. Really been enjoying that game. Gonna have some more videos coming for that soon. Got an attack speed pickup right off the bat. Just go ahead and look for upgrades, see what we have around us. Keep an eye out for the portal, of course, and hopefully get some levels pretty quick. There we go. Okay, we'll go with the blood magic upgrade early on. It's not a bad option. Go ahead and pop the shrine here. We'll go with luck. Get a little bit of luck goes a long way. See if we can get. Oh, okay, we'll go with lightning staff early on. Still trying to get the unlock for that. That's nice that we got it actually early. I'll go with silver gain, I guess. Let's go ahead and see what's up here. We got a microwave. Some chests. There's a shop. We'll go with the lightning staff upgrade there. Okay, demonic blade is really good. Okay, it took a little bit of damage there. Not too bad. We still don't have enough for it. Oh, we just spent our money on the shop. That's why. About to say, I thought I just had gold, but we spent it. Well, let's just try not to die. Try not to die. We took some heavy damage a minute ago. Got quite a bit of scorpions spawning. Just go ahead and get this shrine over here. Grab this pot. Sometimes these have experience. Oh, we got a pretty big swarm already. What is going on with that? Holy crap. Golden chest over here. We need some levels. Okay, let's break that pot. Oh, now we got the cactuses spawning. Okay, let's not die. Lightning staff. Let's grab this power up here. Should help clear some of this mob, and we can grab that chest as well now. Pop the golden chest. Okay. We didn't miss a chest at all. Okay, there's a chest there. I was wondering where that was at, because you usually get a chest from the first elite mob. Okay, I'm not going to be able to grab that right now. Holy shit. Okay, we're off to a kind of a rough start. We got to really be careful right now. Look at the chest. Lightning staff. Oh shit, and we got the scorpion spawning. Uh-oh. Never mind, sand golem. Oh, is there so many mobs spawned already? Seems like a lot. Definitely seems like a lot of mobs already. This chest. Something good, please. Attack speed. That's attack speed, right? I can't remember. Oh no. Oh wow, two Easter statues over here. Let's get those. Hopefully we don't get jumped from above. Gym sauce damage. Curse doll. We need levels. It was so bad. I don't even know where the... Oh shit, there's some life there. Let's grab that. Get full life. Okay, we'll go with the rare blood magic upgrade here. Grab this pot over here. Getting swarmed a little bit, so I gotta be careful. I don't want this run to end right now. Oh no. Yeah, we took a little bit of poison damage. Not looking good, not looking good. Oh no. Yep, it's over. Over, over, over. Why are we getting swarmed so bad so early? I'm just gonna go ahead and run that back. We'll go ahead and go with Vlad again. Tier 3. Seems like way harder than it was previously. Jeez. What, there's 3 magnets right here? Holy shit. A lot of magnets right at the start. I mean, that's not a bad thing. Just farm up some experience. Projectile count right off the bat is nice. Help with clear a little bit. Okay, I'll go with the quantity tomb early as well. Let's just go ahead and take out this mummy here. He'll give us a chest. Either one of these guys will, actually. Come on. There we go. There we go. 2 elite mobs already. Gem sauce. Okay, get this chest. Okay, gold. Yeah, we'll go with the projectile count. Ooh. Oh, come on. Landed right on top of him. Go ahead and just grab that magnet. I'll go with the tornado early on as well. Okay, another quantity tomb. Don't mind if I do. Don't necessarily want to grab this magnet right now because it's not that much experience, but since we have so many magnets over here, I'll just grab it. We have a lot of projectiles already, which is really good. Okay, we'll go with a little bit more lifesteal. Luck actually probably would have been better there, but it's alright. Another chest. We have another magnet over here. Got burger. A couple shrines over here. Just grab that, whatever. I'll go with the blood magic upgrade there. Okay, we'll go more projectile count. Much better start on this one. First one's always a warm-up, you know. Another projectile. We have 2 more shrines over here. Pop both these at the same time. Keep an eye out for the portal. We'll crit damage and more crit damage. Tornado. I should have probably actually went with precision there. Still don't have enough for another chest. Should have a boss spawning soon. Okay, grab this chest. Okay, we got a rare upgrade on this one. Brass knuckles, that's not bad. Damage to close enemies. Another shrine here. Go ahead and pop that real fast. I'll go with pickup range. Doesn't look like there's much over here, so we'll head over this way. Okay, we got sand golem spawning, or no, scorpion, never mind. Let's try to take the scorpion down pretty quick. Not die in the process. We'll grab the shield just so we make sure we don't die. Okay, scorpion is down. Get the chest. Life is good. We've got a challenge shrine over here. I think I'll grab that. Stonks. Boom, pop that. Grab this chest. Okay, got a rare upgrade there. Oh, backpack, extra projectile, that's good. Since we're stacking projectiles. That is not bad. Let's just keep moving. I don't really want to stay there and keep fighting. They'll die eventually. Boom! Right on top of the scorpions. Duration? I mean, that affects tornadoes, I'm pretty sure. Oh, scorpions right on top of me. I'll go with the power up drop chance. Oh, epic blood magic. Yep, that's really good. Come on, take these scorpions down. Oh, we got attack speed power up there. Can I get it though? I don't know. Quantity tomb. Who else auto picks quantity tomb when it pops up? Am I the only one? Blood magic. Oh, these guys just don't want to die. Blood magic. Back up, back up. Give me the attack speed. Okay, we'll go with the rocket. We have a shitload of projectiles. Yeah, we just unloaded projectiles on these guys. Okay, we got a rare. Oh, what? Another projectile? Whoa. Blood magic. We got a lot of projectiles. How many do we have? Some more. 11. Wow. We have a lot. Another magnet right here. Go ahead and pop that. I'll go with the tornado upgrade. Grab this shrine. Another combat shrine. Get this chest. Oh wow, got an epic upgrade on this one. Scarf. That's damage when we're in the air. I'll go with the damage and projectile speed on the tornado, so hopefully that does a little bit better a job clearing. I'll go with the tornado damage there. Oh wow, another epic upgrade. Oh, increased damage by kills. That's really good. Demonic Soul. Not bad. Okay, we got the portal right here. And we're already out of gold. We went through our gold pretty fast. Pop the shrine. I have about 4 minutes left, so we'll explore the area and see what upgrades we can get before then. I'll go with the XP gain. Another chest. Wristwatch, that's more XP gain. Challenge shrine and regular shrine over here. Still don't have all our weapons or tombs yet, so still keep an eye out for those. Damage to elites, we'll go ahead and pop that. It's gonna go down pretty quick. That went down really fast. I was not expecting it to go down that fast. We'll go with blood magic. Got the key. Go ahead over here and double up some gem sauce if we have enough gold. Can't never have too much gem sauce. Oh shit, I forgot about the... Okay, we got 2 more gem sauces, so that's some good damage. 4 in total. Might even get some more if we get enough gold. There's a couple of shop here. 15% more damage to elites and bosses is good. I don't think we have enough for a chest. See what shrines are up here. I'll go with the quantity tomb. The blood magic upgrade was just more projectiles, so it's better to just go for the actual projectile tomb. Go with the attack speed. Go ahead and freeze time here. Why not? Just go ahead and see what's over here real fast. We need to start getting back to the portal though. Doesn't look like there's anything over here. Another chest. Okay, I got the wrench. That's more attack speed. Was there a shrine over here? No. It's a bomb. Oh, we got an Easter statue. 2 Easter statues. Shit, I might as well grab those. I'll go axe. We have so many projectiles. Why not? Battery. Oh, wow. Bunch of Easter statues over here. Attack speed. Tactical glasses. Yeah, I really got to get going back to the portal. Crit damage. Alright, let's go to the portal. Before it's too late. It's a much better run this time. We have so many projectiles in this run. Oh, nice. The poison gloves. Those create like a poison cloud on hit. Okay, we gotta beeline it to the portal. Hopefully we should be able to take out the boss pretty fast. Another chest. Nope, not enough gold. Okay, little Anubis, let's see how fast we can take you down. And he just went straight up into the air. Okay, we'll follow you into the air, I guess. And he is down. Nice. Get the chest. Key, that's kind of shit, but whatever. Go with the blood magic. Still don't have enough for another chest. We'll soak up all the XP real fast. Size tomb. Axe. We'll go with attack speed as well. Slutty rocket upgrade. Alright, let's just go through the portal. We have a pretty good start. Not a bad first tier. See how we do in tier 2. This is usually where things get a little tough. Attack speed. Dang, the size on the blood magic is crazy big too. That's nice. Got a shop down here. Rare shop. I guess I'll go with that. I don't really know how often I'll be evading, but seems good. I'll go with knockback. Maybe that'll keep enemies away from me with the axes. Boom. Projectile speed. Let's go ahead and pop the shrine. I'll go with lifesteal. We have a legendary shop here. Damn, that's 1,700 for that. Whoa. We gotta stack gold for a while for that. Another shop over here, another shrine. We'll go projectile speed. I don't even see my tornadoes flying out at all. Let's go ghost. Oh, they are flying out. They're just everywhere. I don't think there's anything over here. Oh. It's like nothing can even get near me right now. Okay, scorpion boss. Taking him down pretty fast. Yeah, just go ahead and keep following me. That sounds like a really good idea. Just walking right into my axes, buddy. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We took some damage there. Okay. He ain't fucking around. Oh, what? Oh, man. We got too close or something? I don't understand what happened. Oh, that was a good run, too. I don't understand what the hell happened there. We just got wrecked, I guess. New record. Oh, man, I'm terrible. Top 86.5% of players. Damn. Well, we will go ahead and go on a new run. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Still pretty bad at Megabonk, but hopefully we will get better with time. I think I'll try somebody else on the next run. Did a couple Vlad runs here. See you guys on the next one. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Peace.